This is the newly purchased subsonic open circuit wind tunnel by the college, Centennial College. This was the wind tunnel that was purchased from TecQuipment. The model number is AF1300. The main test or experiment section, the size is 305 mm by 305 mm and the length is 600 mm, which is roughly 1 feet by 1 feet by 2 feet. In this wind tunnel, we can test the model of various objects and how they react with the air, that is the aerodynamic reactions. So that includes the lift, drag and torque. So you can see a high wing aircraft is being tested now, but we have various other models that our students can utilize in various projects and research work. So you can see some of the models that we have acquired from TecQuipment. This beautiful wind tunnel will be very helpful for our students and it's a great addition to our academic program.